Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. And how do you pay Square Invoice, or actually avail the premium one if you're not really on par with the free one here? So just go ahead and let's go to the see, there's free one here, the Invoice software, and there's also the Invoice app where you actually have to pay, right? So let's just go ahead and go through the one that has the actual price, so to say. So as you can see, I have an account here, actually set it up for the tutorial itself. So to say, give you a little quick stroll here on the units. So just basically an e-commerce, basically complementing platform right here. So click on this one, the one that has the label thing here. So once you click on that, you can just basically click on buy now, so to say. And once you click on buy now, there's a bunch of options that are going to be presented for you, like Apple Pay or Gcash as well. So in this case, we're going to be using Google Pay, and that's just basically it. Just add to cart, and once you add to cart, that's just basically solving the problem here for you. And yeah, that's just it. So that's how you actually pay for this stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.